What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be doing my first Copart walk around style video, mainly because Tyler just turned 15 and he wants a Toyota Tacoma for his very first truck, and we're going to rebuild that next. So if you like this kind of video, let me know. If you don't, this may be my last. So let's ride on over to Baton Rouge and check these Tacomas out. This is it. They brought them up front for me to check out because this place is unbelievable. It's probably a mile deep. I don't know if you can see, but it would take forever to walk to the back and find these things. So we have a silver 2017. I think this is the limited, and then a 2017, and this is just the base SR5 model, and they both two-wheel drive. So this one is about 65,000 miles, and it was wrecked in the back, so the bed is all crammed up, so we would need a whole new bed for this. And I priced beds, and they're about 2,500 bucks to get a whole new bed. And then we have a little damage right here. It's not a big deal. A little dent here, and this back glass is busted out, which I bet rainwater's been getting in for a long time. No airbags deployed, which is pretty nice. Got a little damage here, and I guess when it was hit in the back, it was pushed into the car in the front, so we would need a new front bumper. So let's take a look at the inside. Oh, and this fender looks a little cocked out. So let's take a look in here. Oh Lord. Looks like some serious mold. It smells pretty bad too. And that's a shame. All they had to do was tape up that window. Looks like this window they taped up. I don't know why they didn't roll it up. This one too. So I guess for a while the water poured in. See the mold just growing. That's so unfortunate. Because this, I was hoping, was going to be the better of the two. Sunroof. All the limiteds have sunroofs on them. I bet it's going to be bad back here. Oh my God. This leather is just destroyed. All down here is destroyed. All because of this window. I don't even know if you'd ever get this back clean again. You probably have to replace the entire carpet. As bad as this truck smells. The bed wasn't an issue. That's 2,500 bucks for a new bed. And it's really just the front bumper and a bed that I was expecting to be bad. Nothing else is really wrong with it. So this truck comes up for auction this week. So let's take a look at it. Now, I do like the running boards better. I like the black. So this was hit on the front. Definitely need a new front grille. This fender looks kind of messed up. I don't know if it's dented, but the hood is shifted, so I guess when this hit, it just kind of hit the hood. I don't know if we can just change the hinges, or we'd have to have a whole new hood. As far as the outside, no other damage. One little scratch right here. Back looks great. So the issue, oh, that's some more paint over here. Something right there. But the issue with this truck, all the airbags are deployed. So that's both seats. Seat belt's good. The curtain airbag, steering wheel, and the knee one. So that's all been deployed. So that would be probably over 3,000 just in airbags. No mold. Truck smells great. Let's pop the hood and take a look at that. Tires are kind of bad. Definitely need new tires. How many miles? 60,000? That's about right. It's about the right wear. So we do have a key. I brought my jump pack so we can try to jump it off. Let's see if I can open this. All right, got it opened up. Couldn't do it one-handed. This rod is bent. So I can't really see any more damage. Wow, the hood looks like that hinge is bent up pretty bad, or is that the way it's built? Well, I got two trucks. I can open them both up and compare them. So this front cross member looks good. Let's see if it even turn over. If not, got the jump pack. Let's see. Well, that's a good sign. Brakes are loose. Look at that, it cranks. See if it'll go in gear. It's all in Spanish. We have a backup camera. What all do we have? Let's see if the AC works. Okay, we got super cold AC. Yeah, so this is a nice little truck. Not bad. Let's open up this truck over here and see if we can see how it compares with the front hood hinges. All right, got this opened up, and the hinges on this one look exactly the same. But I think this is what's bent over here. And that's not a pretty big issue. I can straighten this out. This is bent in. I could salvage this fender, but the headlight is busted. That's pretty bad. Have to look up a price on that. So all this looks pretty straight, but this hood is still sitting. It's sitting too low. Sounds good. I was really wanting this truck over here that's limited. So much nicer. But I just don't feel like dealing with all that mold. You just don't know what you're getting into, how bad it is. So we need airbags, need tires, need a headlight, possibly an entire hood, definitely a front bumper. I think I can salvage this fender. And other than that, it'd be a perfect truck. Definitely for a teenager. Two-wheel drive, which I said I'd never buy a two-wheel drive again. All right, I don't think the AC's blowing cold. I got it all the way to hot now, and it's not hot. Come all the way to cold. and it's not getting cool. Not sure if I'm doing something wrong. Got that on there. That should be way colder. So that could be an issue there. I guess all the Freon leaked out whenever the front got busted. Let's check that out. Oh yeah, it looks like, see this support here has got busted in, and I bet that hit this condenser and all the Freon's leaked out. So definitely need a condenser, recharge the AC. I'm going to factor all this into my bid if it's going to be worth it. Have to add it all up. But if any of you are interested in this one, here's the lot number, 634-12682, sold by Progressive. So if you don't mind all the mildew and all that stuff and changing a bed, this would be a great little truck. I think I'm gonna add up all the expenses for this one and see what a good bid would be. It is clean title, both of these. This one's clean title and this one. I don't know why. I guess they took the money and decided to sell it themselves, maybe. They both sold by Progressive. 2017 Toyota. Cranked right up. The brake fluid's a little low. Alright, we're going to walk our way back up to the front, but just look how massive this place is. See if we can look down this row. I don't know, that's got to be a mile deep. They got a bunch of four-wheelers up here. Four-wheelers and side-by-sides. Go check that out on the way out. Thank God they brought the two trucks up here for me. I don't know how I ever found them. I don't know how these yards may be laid out a certain way, like Toyota's in a certain spot or trucks. I don't know. All right, so here's all the motorcycles. It's like about 50 or so. All different kinds. Crotch rockets to Harleys, Yamahas. Let's look at all this first. Slingshots. I wouldn't even know what to do with most of this stuff. Some of these are more than a car. Here's a little simple one, a little 900 Polaris. I don't see any damage to it. Probably most of these were flooded, if I had to guess, because they take these in some deep water and they probably got water in the engine. So the engine, yeah, got an engine in the back of this one. Looks like they pulled the engine and realized it's trash. But if you had a wrecked one and wanted this one, here's the lot number. And it takes forever for this kind of stuff to ever come up for auction. You'll see it on Copart for 6 months. Little simple four-wheelers here. Even got a Gravely lawnmower. You don't see too many of these. I don't know why you would salvage a lawnmower. Nice little utility one. Again, I don't see any damage to it. So most likely it was flooded. Oh, we got a whole bar tore off. Did I miss a wreck on this side? No. The front is messed up. Oh, this is a nice one. This one looks brand new. Yeah, I think we might need to start, maybe get a few little four-wheelers and rebuild them. I like to stick with Honda. I've always had Hondas and they've always been really good vehicles for four-wheelers. That's a nice one there. I had the old 110 three-wheeler back in the day. Then I had a 250SX. Alright, take a quick look at these on the way out. CBR, that's what I had before Tyler was born, and when he was born I sold all that stuff. Most of these were laid over. Oh, this one caught on fire here. Oh, that's a nice Harley. I don't see any damage to it. Boy, that is nice. Check this out. Here's the lot number if you want to take a look at it. Harley Lowrider. That is super nice. Got the tall handlebars. I might have to watch this one. Oh, here's another Harley. I think I like this one more. Got a little different look to it. There's the lot number. I don't really see any damage. Looks like this dug into the pavement. But if you just bought these motorcycles and parted them out and sold the parts on eBay, you could make a real good living. Had a friend in Florida that did that. He would get them at Copart, take every piece off, list it on eBay, and sell the parts. Here's another Harley. I don't really know what kind. I'm not a huge Harley person. Another Harley over here. Screaming Eagle. Still, I just don't see any damage. Yeah, you'd think it was laid over. Oh, the back end is full of weeds. That's kind of odd. Maybe it went off in a ditch and who knows. That's about it. Alright guys, I'm going to go home and go over this video with Tyler and show him all the damage. We're going to add up all the parts that we need and then see what kind of bid we want to put in. So you got to figure out if it's a salvage vehicle, you got to automatically take probably a good 10% off, but these are clean title trucks. But they have been wrecked, so you'd have to discount at that for some. So we're just gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do. I think it bids Friday on the white one. The silver one's not up for bid yet. So if you're interested in that one, you could bid on it if you like. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon.